We're here with Trisha from Luxury Daily. Trisha, do you think the consumers will watch this event on the live streaming?
I think that fans of the Lexus brand and those that happened to be on Facebook at that time will definitely be more inclined to check out the live stream of this event. I think it's very strategic of the brand to not really be releasing these photographs to the public yet, so the only way to see the Lexus LS in the photographs with the famous couples is to actually tune in and see it live. And I think that any brand that creates a little bit, at least a little bit of digital hype for a new model coming out, it's obviously more likely that those consumers will be participating in anything that is timed and scheduled, whether it be social digital images and campaigns, or if it's actually a live event where other people, including celebrities and well-known personalities, are. And I just think that overall it's probably trying to aim at a very affluent audience that will really appreciate the photography efforts from the brand, and it's definitely trying to keep up that exclusivity factor by saying this is an invite-only event, but yet you have the chance to see what's going on even though you can't actually be there in person.